Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and thought, why does my body feel stiff, like it's rusting? After 60, even tying your shoelaces can feel like a task. But what if I told you that just 15 minutes each morning could change everything? Not with intense workouts, but with simple, mindful movements that awaken your body and slow down aging itself. Stay with me till the end, because the last exercise I'll share is a forgotten ancient technique that doctors now swear by. You see, as we age, our muscles tighten, our joints lose lubrication, and our heart slows down. This means if we begin our day passively, lying in bed, scrolling, or simply rushing, we're sending the wrong message to our body. But when we move with purpose in the first 30 minutes of waking, our body gets the signal, I am alive, I am strong, I am ready. So now let's explore the 5 best morning exercises for people over 60, designed not just to move your body, but to restore it. Let's start at the top. Gently roll your neck clockwise, then counterclockwise. Next, shrug your shoulders up to your ears, then let them drop. Feel that crackle? That's tension leaving your body. This simple move releases stress and improves blood flow to your brain. Now sit on the edge of your bed or a sturdy chair. Place your right hand on your left knee and twist gently. Hold, breathe, and switch. This isn't just about your spine. This movement wakes up your digestive system and reduces back pain. We often ignore our feet, yet they carry the weight of every memory, every step of our life. Circle your ankles slowly, then flex and point your toes. This simple movement can prevent falls and improve balance dramatically. Stand tall, slowly march in place. Now swing your arms like you're walking outdoors in the morning sun. This isn't just an exercise, it's a signal to your heart. Wake up, old friend. The day has begun. Your circulation improves, lungs open, and energy begins to rise. And now the final technique, a practice used by monks in the Himalayas. Stand still. Inhale deeply through your nose. Raise your hands slowly above your head. Stretch to the sky like you're reaching for light. Hold it. Now exhale through your mouth and slowly bring your hands down. Do this for 5 rounds. You'll feel something magical, a warmth in your chest, a stillness in your mind, and a peace that stays with you all day. Modern science backs it too. Gentle morning movement increases dopamine, your feel-good hormone lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, and boosts blood flow to the brain and muscles. In fact, seniors who move mindfully in the morning are 35% less likely to develop balance issues and have sharper memory and stronger immunity. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy shoes. All you need is your body, your breath, and a little intention. So tomorrow morning, before the world wakes up, stand tall, breathe deep, and move slowly, because every stretch is a statement that you're still strong, still capable, and still becoming your best self. If this video moved you, even a little, share it with someone over 60 who deserves to move better, feel better, and live fuller. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing wisdom, because aging isn't a decline, it's a journey upward.